If you are still losing 1/5 of your work week, literally one day every week, just searching for case law and gathering evidence, you are stuck in the 2025 manual grind. Right now, in July 2026, the paralegal tax is officially optional. I'm breaking down the 3 AI tools that are replacing traditional legal workflows and winning back 10 hours of your life every week. The 2025 approach to legal work was experimenting with ChatGPT, but as of July 2026, we've entered the era of specialized agentic law. Investors are currently tracking 13 legal startups, but 3 are pulling ahead of the pack: Harvey, Supio, and Legora. Large firms like Wilkie have already teamed up with OpenAI to build proprietary platforms that move beyond simple chat into actual legal reasoning. This shift is part of what Ethan Mollick calls co-intelligence, where the AI acts as a coworker and coach rather than a search bar. With 50% of college-educated professionals now working from home, the winners are those who can orchestrate these agents to handle the 7.6-hour workday more efficiently. Our first tool is Harvey. The 2026 RSGI AI Impact Report recently highlighted that Harvey is helping firms overcome what they call the frozen middle, the administrative bottleneck of mid-level document review. Step 1. Upload a 1,000-page discovery folder into a Harvey project. Step 2. Use the legal research agent to identify every instance of a specific clause. Step 3. Ask the review agent to flag inconsistencies between the new evidence and your client's initial statement. Because Harvey uses a specialized context window, it doesn't just read words. It understands legal precedent. By 2027, the idea of a human paralegal manually tagging documents will be seen as a total waste of human capital. If you are in plaintiff law, cost isn't your biggest problem. It's trust. Our second tool, Supio, is specifically designed to bridge this gap by providing high-fidelity evidence analysis. Step 1. Connect Supio to your client's medical and insurance data. Step 2. Trigger the timeline generator. Step 3. Let the AI extract the specific pain points that map to current case law. McKinsey research shows that generative AI has the potential to automate 60 to 70% of today's work activities. And Supio proves that number in practice by turning the heavy lifting of data entry into a ready-to-file legal brief in minutes. That shift alone can take a case from months of prep down to days. The third tool isn't just one app. It's the custom proprietary nodes being built by firms like Wilkie. They are using the OpenAI API to build internal workflows that handle high-stakes contract drafting. For you, this means using a tool like Claude 3.5 for its 200,000 token context window to build your own legal brain. Step 1. Export your last 3 years of successful contracts. Step 2. Upload them to a Claude project. Step 3. Use the system prompt. You are a senior legal architect. Draft this new agreement using only the clauses and formatting style from these verified documents. This moves you from chatting to actual architecting of a $3 trillion productivity shift. Let's talk about what the data actually shows about the search tax. Remember that one day a week we opened with? The NBER data confirms exactly why. Access to generative AI assistance increases productivity by 14% on average. However, for novice or low-skilled workers, the jump is a massive 34%. By using legal AI tools that utilize retrieval-augmented generation, or RAG, you are effectively hiring a digital librarian who never sleeps. These tools help newer remote workers move down the experience curve by disseminating best practices from the top-tier firm experts directly into your workflow. Before you automate everything, remember that AI adoption in 2026 is often easier done than said if you follow a principles-based approach. You cannot just buy and hope. You must redesign how the work gets done. That frozen middle doesn't thaw by itself. Rule 1. Never put client PII into a public prompt. Rule 2. Maintain a human in the loop for the final verification. Rule 3. Focus on the awe-inspiring outcomes, not just the chat. As of July 2026, the reliability gap is real, and the best models still fail about 1 in 5 complex logic tasks. You are the architect. The AI is the builder. Treat it as a co-intelligence, and you win. You just saw the July 2026 blueprint for legal automation that actually works. Reclaiming that search tax and killing the paralegal bottleneck is how you dominate the remote economy. Next week, I'm breaking down the Claude prompt stack that writes my entire monthly content calendar in under 4 minutes. Subscribe so you don't miss that build, and I'll see you in the next one.